Here we have the 1990 Ferrari F40. Started production in 1987. Inside the F40, which is dripping in carbon fiber, 3 liters, twin turbo, 480 horsepower. So we are actually preparing this car at the moment, and you'll see some touches here and there, some masking tape, got some panels off at the moment for some touch-up and buffing. And this is actually going to Florida, down in Palm Beach. This 1990 is one of 1,300 cars. Underneath the carbon bodywork here is the 2.9 liter V8, being fed by 2 IHI turbochargers. They are fed into these twin intercoolers here, cooled through all the various ducting in the bodywork. Some of that ducting does go to the transmission and engine oil coolers. And in between there, as you see, the 3 tailpipes on the F40. We've been taking care of this car since 2014. So this particular car has 15,000 miles on it. It is a US spec car. Obviously it's been in the US all of its life. And it actually had a considerably hard time. It was used well on the track. This was not a show car when we got our hands on it. But we went through the car, we've done all the paint work, we've done all the restoration, we've changed all the hardware to the proper spec. We've gone through this car, so plated all the hardware ourselves. Back in the 80s and 90s, it's not like carbon fiber like you'd see as you're used to seeing today. Alright, and inside here is the nose of the F40, and you can see how much of it is actually built for, just housing the radiator, and it's got a lot of ducting to the brake work and whatnot. Just want to thank you guys for letting us show you our F40 here at Exotic Cars USA. We'll be going to Palm Beach down in Florida for the Cavallino Classic.